In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds from a Visa gift card to your bank account using PayPal. This process will take around 5 minutes and you'll have the cash accessible in your bank account in no time. Let's dive right in so you can make the most of those gift card funds. Firstly, you'll need to head to the official PayPal website. Using your preferred web browser, enter www.paypal.com and we'll get started from there. Once you've reached the PayPal homepage, you'll see the option to log in at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login details, so input your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. If you're worried about remembering these details, consider using a password manager for easy access in the future. Once that's done, hit login and welcome back to your dashboard. Here, find the option that says Pay and Get Paid. Clicking on it will open up more options, then select Wallet, and subsequently Banks and Cards, BKey, which lets you manage your different payment sources from within PayPal. You should now see an option to link a new card. Click on Link a Card, and in the screen that follows you will have to enter your Visa gift card details, just as you would with a regular credit or debit card. Pay close attention while doing this to ensure there are no errors in card numbers or expiration dates. With your card successfully linked, it's time to move your funds. Transfer all the money from your gift card to your PayPal account. This step often happens quite quickly, but be patient if it takes a minute or two. Having completed the transfer to your PayPal account, it's time to get that money into your bank account. Click on Withdraw to your bank account or look for transfer money options. PayPal will typically ask if you prefer an instant or standard transfer method. Instant comes with a small fee, while standard transfers are usually free, but take a couple of days. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer to your bank account. Double check the bank account details to ensure accuracy and avoid any hiccups with the transfer. Once the withdrawal process is confirmed, your money will be on its way to your bank account. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully moved the funds from a Visa gift card to your bank account using PayPal. Feel free to explore some other PayPal features while you're logged in. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.